Hi, I'm Lex the Illusionist, and this is How Do I Register to Vote? To be honest, voting is a very simple process. You have to register with the US government, you have to register with the feds, or your city and state. Now, in order to vote, in order to have those pieces of paper mailed out to you, you can do it in several different ways. One is when you're applying for your California ID or your driver's license in your state. Another way you can do it is going to USA.gov, LAVote.gov. There are numerous websites that allow you, of all people, citizens of the United States, to vote for your representatives. That means your senators, your congressmen, your mayors, your city council members, and everyone in between, including the vice president. Now, we just had a new mayor of LA voted in. We will have a very new president very, very soon. So, once again, if you want to learn how to vote, if you need to know how to vote, the way is to register, and you have to go to USA.gov or to your local Department of Motor Vehicles if you want to vote.